Hello and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Chrome extension called Tab Packager. To install it, you need to go to the Chrome Web Store, type in Tab Packager, and then add it to Chrome. Why would you want to do this? It's a great little tool to, as you might guess, package tabs. So in the instance where you may have a student doing a research project, you may have them doing a project on kangaroos, and you want to send them pre-loaded web pages, so web pages that you've actually gone through and looked and made sure that they are age appropriate and grade appropriate for the student. So here I have 4 different tabs of 4 different websites all about kangaroos. I want to take all 4 of those tabs and send them in one nice, neat, clean link to my students. I would then go up to the Tab Packager icon, and when I click on it, I'm going to get this window, and you can see it has created a tab. If I take my mouse and hover over that tab, it says URL is copied to the clipboard. Now I can go into email and email that link to my students. I could post it on Google Classroom. Just to show you what it looks like, I've gone to a new window and already posted it here. So I've copied and pasted it and entered, and this is what comes up. So it shows the 4 different websites that were already preloaded that I had on those tabs in that other previous window. The student can click on any one of these links and it will open the page for them right to where I want them to go, or they can choose to open all the links and all of the tabs will open across the screen. So that is Tab Packager. It's a very useful Chrome extension, and hopefully you and your students can make use of it.